Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the compressor overload in your ice machine, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply to the appliance. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall or cabinet. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread all of the screws to release the lower rear access panel. Use a flathead screwdriver to help detach the overload and start relay cover. Detach the start relay. Disconnect the wire from the overload and detach the old component. Install the new compressor overload by aligning it on the upper compressor motor pin. Connect the wire to the terminal. Realign the start relay on the lower compressor motor pins. Reposition the cover and snap it into place. Reinstall the access panel. Move the appliance back into place. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your ice machine should be ready for use.